Hi there, I'm Denny with the Wham Museum out in Hood River. Today we're going to move a 1936 Accord that's been sitting for quite some time, and well, not quite some time, but almost 6 years.
Eat it raw. They eat that raw.
It hasn't been driven in probably 5 or 6 years and has been sitting out here on the floor looking pretty, but hasn't had a chance to run and strut its stuff. So today we're gonna get her out and see if we can get her going.
Can't get it on there. You're gonna have to lift it from the back end.
It's too low to the ground.
Ah.
There's two like rods that stick down.
So it's too low for the car mover to get underneath. Is what we're talking about here.
The suspension.
I can see it right there. Yeah. Yep.
Half-inch, maybe too low.
Right. I got you.
So we'll take the back end and we'll just bring the back end around this way.